So you've just given access to your team, to your sub account, and now they're saying, like, I cannot see these contacts I'm assigned to them, or they're trying to say like, I cannot log into Go High Level and I'm not able to reply to a lead I was assigned to. What do I do? Now, as the business owner, you would take ownership of that, right? And then take their login or maybe reset their password, log out from Go High Level, come back in as them, then respond or troubleshoot, and then log in back again as the agency user, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you that easy way, which is the login as functionality. Now, bear in mind, this is only for the agency admins or owners. So only if you have that access level, you would be able to follow the steps that I'm about to show you. All right, so this is one of my sub accounts. And if I head over to settings real quick and go to my staff, all right, so you can see I have a few people added here. And if I want to access the account of some of these people and see what they would see, or if I want to reply as them to one of the leads, then all I have to do is head over to the top right side, click on my avatar right here, and then click on login as. And then I just have to choose the staff member that I want to log in as. And again, this is only for the agency admins or owners. So once I click on that, it will quickly refresh. And then you will see your sub account again, and over to the top, you can see it says logged in as. It also shows their email. And if you click on switch to my account, it will take you back to your admin role. All right, so at this point, I can just go ahead and start troubleshooting. And another good use case for this is you can actually see what they would see in your account just to make sure that they don't get access to the stuff that you don't want them to. In addition to that, one of my favorite ways is if you have a sales team where you have multiple people and you are giving them access only to the assigned data, this is a really good way to make sure you log in as two different sales team members and see if they only have visibility to their assigned data by logging in as them. So I'll give you a quick example. Firstly, I'm going to switch back to my own account so I can show you how many contacts I have in my account. So now this is the admin view. You can see we have 5 different contacts. Now I have 2 assigned to person A and then 3 assigned to person B. And if I head over to the settings real quick and go to my staff, and then click on this person's profile and go to roles and permissions, you can see here that I have the data visibility scope only assigned data, which means if this is a salesperson and if a lead is assigned to them, they should only be seeing that contact and not the other ones in order to avoid stealing the leads from the other salespeople. And similarly, I have done the same setting with one of the other salespeople here as well. So if I go to roles and permissions, the data visibility scope is set to only assigned data. Now, if I go back to the contacts, I'm going to log in as this first person here, so we can see what they would see. So it's just going to quickly refresh. And once it does refresh, we can see that only 2 contacts are showing up for person A because we have them assigned for this person. So if I open one of these contacts, you can see that it is assigned to them. And this salesperson cannot see the contacts or leads which are assigned to a different person. And now if I log in as the other person, which is this one right here, we should be able to see the other 3 leads, and these ones should not be common. All right, so it has refreshed and we can see the other 3 leads are now showing up for this salesperson and not the other 2 ones. So this means that the data visibility scope setting is working perfectly, and this can be a great setting for the sales environment. And again, if you want to double check everything, this is how you would do it by using the login as functionality in order to save time and make sure that people are only seeing the data that they should be based on the settings that you dial in. I hope this quick tip provided you some value. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them below. This is Sama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.